She's in town. She went to Donica right now. So Donica will lose her.
Are you ready?
Just text her. We're call her shortly.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
How are you today?
Good morning, sir.
Everybody okay this morning,
Yes, sir.
despite it being a Monday? All right. It's 9:01. I'm going to call the docket. First case is case number 600940, State versus Mariah Cantu. And Marisa Ayona's attorney of record. There's a note about Judge Carruthers' court.
Judge, I'm not very aware of this case, to be honest. I'd never received a notice that I was appointed on this. So I was just I had emailed Patty to see if I could get some information on it. So I'm not sure that there's what the note on Judge Carruthers is.
Ms. Ayon, you were appointed to replace Maria Brito, who's had some severe medical issues. She's no longer able to represent people at this time. Hopefully, I'm not fully aware, but I'm hopeful that there will be a time when she can return.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
With that, you want time to look it over and find out what's going on?
If I could, Judge, a short recess would be perfectly fine. I just want to make sure that I
get your calendar for the date.
We'll give you a 30-day reset.
Quick.
Judge.
Yes.
On that particular matter, when I sent Marisa Ayon, I CC'd Angela. I forgot her last name, but she's Magistrate Carruthers' coordinator. And Miss Angela was supposed to contact Miss Ayon to fill her in on what's going on with Miss Cantu.
All right. We'll give you 30-day. We'll give Miss Ayon a 30-day reset to get squared away.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. We have a 1:30 setting on Albert Kabugambi, just in case he's here, and Jocelyn Andrews. All right. Next case, 611454. Yes.
Your Honor, can Miss Ayon be excused?
Of course. That's why I gave her a 30-day reset.
Okay, I'll send you the new reset, Miss Ayon.
Right. Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
611454. State versus Mariano Guzman Medrano. And that's Julia Hernandez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Hernandez.
Yes, my client is supposed, thank you. My client's supposed to be present in court. Is there any way that we could check?
At the courthouse?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll check on them shortly.
Thank you, Judge.
She's still waiting.
Case 617. I prefer that everybody wait until I call the docket to conduct their conversations. 617020, Rafael Cartagena, and that's Paula Perez. Rafael Cartagena, marked absent, and Paula Perez not answering. Case number 619304, State versus Thomas Freeman.
Why do they have me on the line with other people's case?
That's Julia Hernandez.
Your Honor, excuse me, Mariah Cantu.
I understand. I heard
is on.
She'll have to wait, Ms. Cantu. I called your name a moment ago. We'll come back to you. Just wait.
Okay.
Thomas Freeman.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm present for Mr. Freeman. He is on Zoom. However, he's having problems connecting to his audio and his video, but he is on. So as soon as he's connected, I will let you know, Judge.
Very good. Thank you. Case 624462. State versus Christopher Aguirre. Elizabeth Settle.
Yes, Judge, we're ready on a plea on that, and I did see my client's name on my screen earlier. I don't see him right now.
Hello. Sorry, I'll try and pick my headphone.
Are you Mr. Aguirre?
Say who?
Are you Christopher Aguirre?
Okay.
All right. Aguirre.
Present, Your Honor.
All right.
There she is, Judge. It's under Mercedes Aguirre.
We'll wait till we hear from you.
Speak up, Miss Aguirre.
Yes, Your Honor.
Christopher Aguirre?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's AKA Mercedes Aguirre, Judge.
Okay. Case 624664. Case State versus Daniel Aranda. And that's Isidro Montoya. I've seen him this morning.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Judge. A couple of things. He should be on Zoom. He called me up and he was having some difficulties getting on the Zoom, but he should be on the Zoom meeting. He needs to be excused, Judge, because he has another Zoom hearing at 9 o'clock. So if once he shows up, if you can release him so he can do the other Zoom hearing. And I'm going to need time. I need time to confer with Mr. Edelman about this case.
You'll be number one to confer.
Thank you, Judge. And can Mr. Aranda be released? I don't see him on my screen, but
how can I release him if he hasn't showed up?
Yes, Judge. I can't see him on my screen. So once he shows up, Judge, I'll ask him to get released.
Daniel Aranda.
Emilio Hernandez?
Aranda.
Oh, no.
Sorry, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor.
628044 State versus Benny Reina.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Reina.
Good morning.
Kelly.
He's here somewhere.
Kelly, attorney.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. All right, I'm marking Mr. Kelly is not answering. Case number 633930, State versus Gwendolyn Bright.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Bright.
Good morning.
Your attorney is Elizabeth Russell.
Yes.
Ms. Russell? I'm marking her not answering at this time. We'll come back to talk to you, ma'am.
Okay.
64174, State versus Adam Elizondo. State versus Adam Elizondo.
Yes, Judge. This is James Anders for the defense. Mr. Elizondo, I believe, is attempting to get on right now. I am in contact with him. He is attempting to get on, though, I believe.
All right. Case number 639829, State versus Jennifer Markram.
I'm here.
Good
I'm
morning, Ms.
present
Markram.
also, Judge.
And Loretta Hewitt, where are you?
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Hewitt.
Good morning.
Everything good with you?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Good, glad to hear it. Case number 640512. By the way, I'm sorry, Ms. Hewitt, what are your wishes?
Well, Judge, this case is almost a year old. The offense date was May 21st, and as of last week, we still do not have the blood results. So I'd like to find out if the state is going to pursue this case or dismiss it if they're not. Dismiss it while we wait for blood results.
Do you want to confer with one of the prosecutors?
Sure, Judge.
I'm going to mark you number 2 for conferring.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. 640-512, State versus Julia Singh. Julia Singh. Julia, just talk. Julia Singh. Elizabeth Russell.
So there's no
No answer on
information or
Elizabeth
anything at all,
Russell.
right? No. Okay.
Yeah.
When you guys talk while you're on Zoom, I get your faces talking, and if you're not supposed to be answering, I'd appreciate your silence. Julia Singh is marked absent. 646-322, State versus Priscilla Vasquez. Rose Zabel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Rose. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Have you heard from Ms. Vasquez?
I have not, Your Honor. I was appointed last month. I don't know who her prior attorney was someone who was taken off the wheel, I believe. I've called pretrial services. I've gotten a phone number for her. I contacted that phone number, which led me to another phone number, which led me to a third phone number. I've called all of those numbers, Your Honor, and so far I have not gotten a response from Ms. Vasquez.
All right. Well, we're going to give you a 30-day reset, see if we can't find some way to communicate with her. Next time, though, there'll be a warrant issued, which is not your fault. All right. You're excused if you choose, unless you want to do something else.
I actually have to go to district court, Judge, but thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 648-549, State versus Kyra, or is it Myra, Patty?
Mayra.
Kyra Gonzalez.
No, it's
Carlos
Mayra.
Gonzalez, attorney.
Yes, Attorney Gonzalez present. I believe Myra is on Zoom as well. We are pretty close to coming to a conclusion here. If I could just confer one last time with Ms. Morgan, appreciate that.
You'll be number 3 for conferring.
Thank you.
And you say we do have Ms. Kyra somewhere in our computer life line?
She should be on. Yes.
I like that should be. But the question is she?
I'm not aware for 100%.
All right. That's better. 649-227, State versus Quaylen Jones. And that's Elizabeth Russell.
Yes, sir. This is Quentin Jones, Your Honor. I'm here.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. How do you say that?
Quaylen.
Quaylen, okay.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Thank you for answering on time. It looks like your attorney is not answering. It's the third one this morning. 652-125. Just stick with us, Mr. Jones. 652-125. State versus Gabriel Glenn. No attorney of record. Gabriel Glenn. Gabriel Glenn is marked absent. 653-155. State versus Dan Brassard.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tanya Rivera, appearing for Mr. Brassard.
Good morning, Ms. Rivera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm not sure if Mr. Brassard is present. I did speak with him on Thursday, and I gave him the Zoom link and the time. I don't see him on here.
Dan Brassard, answer up. He is not answering, marking him absent at this time. We'll wait a little while and we'll come back to you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Stop
Judge.
video, participants share. Okay, we stop.
Hello.
Huh?
Hello, somebody is
No,
talking.
don't stop. Yeah, hello.
Yes, who are you, sir?
I am Thomas Freeman.
Okay, Thomas Freeman. Hang
Yeah, I
tight.
can hear y'all. I can see y'all.
Okay, well, just
Okay.
wait a little bit. I'll come
Okay.
back to you momentarily.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
655-268, State versus Jesus Gonzalez. No attorney. Jesus Gonzalez, marked absent. 655-949, State versus Thomas Arispe.
Sir, it's me, Jesus Gonzalez.
I'm sorry?
I had the volume thing, I couldn't get the volume on, but now I got it on.
Okay, I have seen you this morning. Thomas Gonzalez, thank you for answering. Do you have an attorney or are you going to hire one?
It's Jesus Gonzalez, sir.
I'm sorry?
It's
I'm
Jesus
sorry,
Gonzalez.
yes, you're correct. It's Jesus
Yeah.
Gonzalez. Yes.
Sir, I actually had an attorney, but something happened and she said she's not gonna be able to represent me if y'all can get me a court appointed, even though I gave her $1,000 and somehow she's saying that she's not gonna represent me.
Who is that?
It was Therese Hunziger, because I had a dispute with my roommate, which I don't really want to get into because it's not,
All right, listen, we don't need to get into that. All right,
Yeah.
you've got a receipt from Ms. Hunsinger.
But she's saying she's not gonna represent me, that I have to get a court appointed lawyer.
All right. When we get through, Ms. Garcia, my court coordinator, will visit with you and we'll see where that goes, okay?
All right, sir, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. 655-949, Thomas Arispe. And that's Floyd
Yes, Your
Rivera.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor. I'm present. Floyd Rivera is running late. I believe he sent an email letting the court know.
All right, just hang loose then, stick around. Thank you. 657-045, State versus Juan Ramos.
I'm here. Yes, sir.
Juan Ramos.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Ramos.
Good morning.
Stephanie Esparza is your attorney.
No, Judge, this is Ray Castro. I'm calling from Houston, Harris County. I'm representing Mr. Ramos. I subbed in on April the 21st. I'm in contact with Stephanie Esparza regarding the discovery and the details as to how to get discovery from there. And I'm asking for another reset.
I'm going to mark you number 4 for confirming. We'll try to get things worked out with you.
May my client be excused, Your Honor?
Yes. You may.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
657-353, State versus Robin Wyatt. And that's James Mayra. Attorney James Mayra. No answer. And Robin Wyatt, marked absent. 657-796, State versus Margarito Güell. And that's John Garcia's attorney.
It's here, Judge, in the courtroom.
Both the attorney or the defendant?
Just the defendant.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Güell.
Good morning, sir.
Have you heard from your attorney, John Garcia? All right, for right now, I'm marking him not answering. 657-807, State versus Jessica Ituarte.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Ituarte.
Good morning.
Your attorney is Derek Ritchie.
No, sir. So it was a motion to withdraw, and it's supposed to be all discharge, and apparently you declined it. So I'm not sure what's going on.
All right, we're going to talk to you in a little while, okay?
Okay.
Case number 657-835, State versus Chris Bennett.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gerardo Flores, representing Mr. Bennett, and I believe he's also logged in. I just saw his name appear in the list.
Yeah, I'm here.
Bennett.
Yes, sir.
We're both here, Your Honor, and I wanted just to convey to the court, I'm working on 2 felonies that are in the 437th, and I'm still trying to work them out, hopefully including these cases, and wanted to see if I could get a reset, Your Honor.
How much time you want? 30 days will do.
I'll try it in 30 days, Judge.
Well, I don't mind being practical. Do you need more time than that?
Well, I'm still waiting on a lab out of that court, so it just depends on how soon they get them. But 60 days, if the court wouldn't mind, I'll be hopeful that we'll get it by then.
I've got a quick question. You got 4 misdemeanors and 2 felonies? Are you handling all of them?
I'm on all of them, Judge.
All right. Then we'll give you a 60-day reset. Mr. Bennett,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Brothers, y'all are both excused. Mr. Bennett, I hope you don't get any more cases on you. You've got more than enough, sir. Be careful.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 657-844. State versus Coral Yanis, and that's Linda Corley.
Hello, Judge. How are you?
I am well, Miss Corley. How are you?
I'm good. Ms. Yanis is on this morning. We've got about 9 videos, but we were missing the, I still need to go through all those, but we did check and we're missing the dash cam for the driving and the body cam on one of the sobriety tests. So we'd like to request a 30-day reset. I've already corresponded with Andrew about that. He's working on it for me.
You have a 30-day reset. You're excused, both of you, but wait, before I do that, where is Miss Coral Yanis? Coral Yanis.
Here, Judge, I am present.
Are you she?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. All right, y'all are both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Be
Thank you,
safe.
Judge.
You're welcome. 657-847, State versus Amber Huff.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present for
David.
her.
Good morning, David.
She's got 2 cases, Judge. I was appointed on one of them 4 days ago, and the other one a little less than a month. I've not been able to reach her. I'm waiting for a callback from pretrial services. The number I have for her doesn't seem to work. If we can get a short reset so I can get her to court, Judge, unless she's waiting under somebody else's name.
Well, okay, Amber Huff. If you're online, please answer. Amber Huff. All right, Mr. Garcia, I'm going to give you 14 days, see if you can produce her.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You have a great day.
You too. 657-848. State versus Michael Ruiz.
Good morning, Judge.
Andrew de Cueto, pardon me?
Michael's here on Zoom also.
Here, Judge. All right. Good morning, Mr. Ruiz.
Good morning.
And who's answering for Andrew?
Taylor Wood.
I'm sorry?
Taylor Wood.
Wood, but what? I'm having trouble understanding your first name.
Taylor.
Spell it.
Taylor.
C like Charles?
No. T like.
Oh,
type.
Taylor. I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Taylor Wood.
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. What do you wish to do today, if anything?
We're just waiting on some discovery, Judge.
Then we'll reset you 30 days, or do you need more?
No, that sounds good.
You're not waiting for a blood result, are you?
No.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Sir.
before defense counsel is excused, it would be nice if we know what discovery they're waiting for so that we can expedite its request and production.
I'm gonna make them number 5 to confer with you and find out.
Thank you, sir.
I'll call you back up. 657-897, State versus Richard Gonzalez, and that's Alma Benavides.
Sir,
Mr. Gonzalez.
yes, sir.
Mr. Gonzalez, you're Jesus Andres, right?
No, I'm Jesus Andres Gonzalez, sir.
Right. Well, and where's Richard Gonzalez?
He's in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, I got you. Very good. And Alma Benavides, no answer at this time. 657-902, Cornelius King, and that's Brian De La Rosa, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian. How are you?
I'm doing well. I haven't had any contact with Mr. King. Does he happen to be present in the courtroom today?
Judge, he's here in the courtroom.
Very good.
Oh, he's there in the courtroom.
Yes.
Excellent.
All right.
May I have a breakout room with him as soon as it's convenient for the court, please?
All right, Patty, would you put Mr. De La Rosa and Mr. King in breakout? All right, add-ons. Scheduled for 11 o'clock. Stephanie Espinosa, Catherine Valenzuela's attorney. You got apparently 2 cases. Then we have at 2 and 2:30, we have Alejandro Gomez with Ivan Barrera as attorney. Then we have, and then we have 3 o'clock and 3:30, Ezequiel Alexander Delgado and Ivan Barrera. That is the docket for this morning. If there's anyone that did not answer when I called your name, or you did not hear your name because you didn't answer, or would you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, hold on, one at a time. All right. Well, who do we have?
Your turn? Yes, Your Honor, this is Mr. Freeman calling.
Mr. Freeman.
Yes, sir.
Thomas Friedman.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hernandez said that you were present, or that you were trying to get on, so I've got you marked
Yes,
present.
sir. I got my hearing aid in, sir.
All right.
Okay,
So
I'm almost deaf. Okay. So
All right.
if I talk a little loud, that's because I got one hearing aid in. I ain't got my artificial ear on from other hearing aids.
All right, well, just hang loose. Your attorney has already answered. She told me you were here, and I've marked you present.
Thank
Ms.
you, Your
Hernandez?
Honor.
All right, just hang,
Okay.
just wait.
Okay.
Julia Hernandez?
Samuel Hernandez.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Mr. Freeman. Just wait. Now,
Yes, sir.
you, the gentleman in gray,
Yes.
what is your name, sir?
Samuel Hernandez.
Daniel Hernandez.
Samuel Hernandez.
Samuel.
Hernandez. Yes.
My name.
Is he on the docket, Petty?
Say again.
Mute yourself. You have to mute.
Petty, I don't see a Daniel Hernandez, do you?
No, sir.
Mr.
I
Hernandez,
thought he
are
was
you-
saying Samuel.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes, Samuel.
Yes, you're right.
Samuel.
Samuel Hernandez, I'm sorry. Mr. Hernandez, are you supposed to be in County Court 5 at 9 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, they told me we could be over Zoom, so I might hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, they told me it could be over Zoom.
I'll look it up, Judge. I'll look into it.
Mr. Hernandez, if you will just stay with us, we'll try and find out what's going on in your case, because we don't show it on the docket. Who
Okay,
else?
yes, sir.
Judge, good morning, Judge.
Your Honor.
Paula Perez on behalf of Mr. Cartagena.
Yes, ma'am, Ms. Perez. How are you this morning?
Good, how are you, Judge?
Okay.
Cause number 617020.
'Say again.
617020.
I got you. All right, your client has not shown up.
Judge, he's actually present. Unfortunately, he's still titled as a Stacy Jensen. So he needs to rename himself. I've already instructed him to do so.
Rafael Cartagena.
All right.
What's that? Not going through.
I called your name at 9 o'clock, Mr. Cartagena.
Yes, sir. My phone was locked. My iPhone was locked, and I went to the Apple store yesterday to get it unlocked. But they said I had to bring them a receipt.
Okay,
A receipt
well,
that
you're
I
with
had
us
3
now.
years ago. I'm
You're
using my.
with us.
I'm using my. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Sorry.
You're with us now. Your attorney will take over now. Ms. Perez,
Okay.
what are your wishes for this morning?
Your Honor, I would like a short reset of about a week, but I can confer with the state also as well, so if I can be put in line. I was just
All right.
retained last week, so that's the request for the reset, but I would like to confer as well.
You'll be number 6 on the list. We'll try to get you as quickly as we can.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Your
How
Honor.
have you been doing?
I'm sorry.
I've been doing okay, Judge. How about yourself?
Okay. All right.
Your
Well,
Honor, Your Honor, this is Mr. Montoya. Mr. Aranda is logged on, and I think I'm number one on the conferring list. Can Mr. Aranda be excused to go to another Zoom?
Yes.
Thank you. Mr. Aranda, you can be excused and go to your other Zoom. Thank you, sir.
I'm up next.
Your Honor, this is Tanya Rivera. Mr. Broussard, Dan Broussard is now present.
Give me the case number real quick.
Yes, Your Honor. It's case
I got it.
413.
653155.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what are your wishes, Ms. Rivera?
Your Honor, I would like to confer with the prosecutor, please.
All right, I have you on my list to confer. Anybody
Judge.
else? Anybody else that did not answer when I called at 9?
Judge.
Yes.
Okay, this is Castillo. I have Mariano Guzman Medrano, Spanish speaking only. He's here in the courtroom.
All right. At the court. All right. Julia Hernandez?
Yes, Judge.
All right, that is your client, Mr. Guzman Medrano. He's at the courthouse.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, what do you wish on that case?
Yes, I'd like to confer with the state, please, when possible.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, I think you're like number 8 now.
Okay.
Anybody else? Anyone else that has not answered the docket? Okay. Mr. Edelman, if you will confer with Isidro Montoya regarding 624664 Aranda.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I have Alma Benavides logging on. I also have defendant Mayra just appeared. It looks like she's
Gonzalez.
Yeah, Mayra Gonzalez.
Mayra. Or Mayra.
Myra.
Oh, it's Myra. Okay, which case number is it?
It's 648549. Carlos Gonzalez is the attorney.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
648549.
It's on page 2, Judge.
There it is. Okay. Carlos Gonzalez.
Yes, Judge.
What are you doing this morning?
I had requested to speak with Caitlin Morgan, just one last chance to confer with her before we set the plea.
All right. Have you listed as number 3 to confer? We'll get you on.
Number, Judge? Number 9?
Pardon me?
What number?
No, he's number 3. He'd already previously asked to confer. Ms. Morgan, if you'll confer with Ms. Hewitt at this point.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I can stop you